Hey Nicola.
Hello.
We're here at a Ritual Electronics booth, and you've got a couple of new things to show us, right?
Yeah, we've got two new things to show for this year. The first one is Aranea, a 5x5 matrix mixer. It's an active matrix mixer with attenuverters, so you can have like out of phase and in phase signal with like center detent with the zero in the middle, and it has very flexible routing capabilities with like mixed mix of the columns. We have like diagonal outputs for like this diagonal and this one, so it can help create like very evolving CVs, or it's great for feedback patching. I have it as an audio, like the main mixer for this patch at the moment. Maybe I should turn it on. So here, for example, I can send my track. Like for example, I've got a delay there, so I can use it as some kind of dub mixer. But it's also but when you're batching CVs, it's also great because it's DC coupled, and it can act as like the main, control center of a patch. Matrix mixers, once you get your head around them, they're super useful.
Yeah, it can be a kind of a funky thing to get used to, but then once you use one, they're kind of like invaluable.
Exactly, then. Especially with it's kind of tons of knobs there. Like with the 5x5, you've got like 25 knobs. You have to remember somehow how it's patched, but once you're there, it's a great tool.
And a center dent will help with that as well, right?
Yeah.
So you've also got another module that...
Yeah, it's a module that we introduced 2 years ago, which is getting like a new version. It's Anima, our dual function generator. So it has like AD, ASR, and LF envelope. And so this is the old version. And here we have the new version. Sadly, we don't have the firmware for it yet because we had to change microcontrollers and rewrite drivers and stuff. But it has a couple of new functions. So now we have end of attack and end of decay for each channel. And also we've got a cycle input so that you can go from envelope to oscillation to LFO or VCO with either like the push of a button or with a gate input. So you can like automate this going from envelope to oscillation. Otherwise, same module, just those two new things.
So do you have a kind of timeline of when this will be available? You said the firmware is kind of almost there.
The firmware is almost there. The hardware is ready. So if all components are available, it will be there before the end of the year for sure. And for the matrix mixer, the timeline is a bit more blurry. It probably won't be this year, but next year, early next year.
Brilliant. And I'm guessing prices are kind of up in the air somewhat.
This Anima will stay at the same price, 310 euros. And for Aranea, I can't tell now.
Okay, brilliant. Nicola, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.